What is an electronic ballast?
An electronic ballast is a device that controls the voltage and current to an electronic lamp, like a fluorescent or LED bulb. It's kind of like a mini computer for your light, making sure it gets the right amount of power to shine brightly and efficiently.
Why do starter ballast over time need to be replaced?
Over time, the components inside a ballast can wear out from all the heating and cooling cycles. This can lead to flickering lights, buzzing sounds, or the lights not turning on at all. Replacing them ensures your lights work properly and safely.
Why are electronic starter ballasts superior to the magnetic starter?
Electronic ballasts are generally more energy efficient, produce less heat, and eliminate the annoying flicker and hum that magnetic ballasts can cause. They also tend to prolong the life of the fluorescent tubes.
What is the life expectancy of these electronic ballasts?
Generally, an electronic ballast can last anywhere from 50,000 to 70,000 hours. That's significantly longer than magnetic ballasts.